Hi you guys, it's me Shantae and welcome back to another episode of Shaking Up with Shantae. If you've been here before, welcome back as always, and if this is your first time tuning in, welcome, and thank you guys as well. Look, listen y'all, I know it's been a long 2 weeks since my last video, but let me tell y'all something, baby. I was tired, honey, and I needed a break. The holidays just did it for me, and plus I was sick on top of that, honey. Let me tell you something. God is good because I feel way better today and I'm so excited. I'm happy to be back with you all. I missed y'all. I missed y'all comments, honey, and I miss being in the kitchen. So today I got something very simple for you guys. Without further ado, let's shake something up for this salmon croquette patties. Come on, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm going to be using these double Q pink salmon right here. They have another brand that's very good, but I'm going to be using this one, and I'm only going to be using one can. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to season this with some Old Bay, some black pepper, some salt, some garlic powder. You're going to need an onion, 1 egg, a little bit of flour, and a little bit of cornmeal. You're also going to need some oil to fry this in. So first thing I'm going to do is open this, and I'm going to show y'all how it looks once you open it out of the can. If you've never had salmon croquettes before and you just wanted to try and you think it's so hard, baby, this is simple, honey. This is simple. Making salmon croquettes, baby, this is simple, honey. Don't let nobody tell y'all this is a hard dish to make, because it ain't, baby. This is so simple. So look, when you open this, and you might want to put on some gloves because it's kind of fishy, but you know I don't mind because I cook with my hands. So when you open it, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so I'm going to take it right here in this bowl because I want to show you. I'm going to drain this. My hands are already clean, y'all. I washed my hands. I made sure of that because I'm eating this, me and my husband. So look, when you open this, this is how it's going to look. Okay, it's going to have some bones in it. Don't crumble it up. It's going to have some skin on it, some bones. Don't just mash it up just yet. Go ahead and just open it up, and sometimes you can feel the bones. Now, a lot of people don't actually take their bones out theirs, but honey, I have to take mine out because that's what my grandma used to do. So that's what I got to do. I remove that little skin. I sit over to the side. I'm just moving that over to the side. Now I'm going to open this up like so. See that when you open up dead in the middle, you see them bones in there? Now, the bones are very soft, y'all. They real soft. So you can just take the bone just like that. I'm going to sit it over to the side over there. I should have got a separate bowl, but it's okay because I know what to look for and what not to. So I'm going to take these little bones. You won't get choked off them little bones either. If you eat them, you won't get choked because they very soft and very tender. Some people don't even remove the bones. Only thing they do is just crush it up, honey. But I like to remove the skin, some of the skin and the bone. I'm going to leave this whole until I separate this, until I put it in another bowl, which I should have got another bowl, but it's okay. I'm just going to take my finger, run it across there, take that skin off there. Now, this is not skin, that's meat. It's just dark meat. It's dark meat, that's white meat. The skin part is this right here. This is the skin part. Sometimes they're so soft you can't even really remove it because all of it's so soft. And then you open this little piece up. There's another little bone in here. You just open it up where you see it's thick and fat at. Just open it up and remove those bones. See that? And they're so soft, y'all. Like baby teeth. Baby shark teeth. Baby shark teeth. Okay? I'm just removing this skin, honey. Opening everything up. Put the little bones over there to the side. Make sure y'all use a separate dish when doing this. My bowl just big enough where I can just sit the trash on this side and the good stuff on this side. And don't get confused when y'all be doing this. Ooh, and this stuff loud too, honey. It's loud. It is loud. Another bone. That's why you got to be very gentle when you first take it out the can. Just be gentle with it so you won't get it all mixed up. But once you start mixing it up with your hand, you're going to know. You're going to feel some bones in there. And now you ain't going to die from these bones. You ain't going to get choked from these bones. It ain't that deep. So if you missed a couple, then that's okay. So I'm gonna wash my hands first, y'all, before I try to separate this before I start mixing it. All right, y'all. So here go my salmon, my pink salmon out the can. Y'all know some people just eat this straight out the can, just like this, which you can, because it's already cooked pretty much. And then I'm just taking a fork and mashing it up just like so. If you missed a bone or two, it's okay, baby. The bones are so soft. When you start biting down on that thing after you get through cooking, you ain't gonna even notice no bone because they soft. You ain't gonna pay no attention to it, honey. You just gonna be eating it. All right. So I'm just gonna do that just like that for right now. So let me go over here and do my onion. So you want to put your onion in there. If you want to put some bell pepper, you can. Some garlic, you can. I'm just trying to make this simple because this is the way my grandma used to do it. Just very simple salmon patty, salmon croquette. They all the same, y'all. Some people call them salmon patty. Some people call them salmon croquette. So however you want, whatever you want to call it, that's what it's called, honey. So I'm going to put a little onion in mine, and I'm gonna cut my onion up kind of real fine, real thin. All right. So this is about a half an onion. If you want to use more, use more. If you want to use less, use less. All right, so I'm going to take one egg. Just one egg and put it in there. Just one. Woo, y'all, I ain't got my eyes crying. Woo. So I got my one egg, and now I'm going to take about a tablespoon of flour. And I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. Okay. Let me put my oil on so it can start getting hot, because this is going to be quick, y'all. And I'm putting on kind of like a medium. You don't want too much oil either, y'all, because we're not deep frying these. So you don't want too much oil, but I only had a little bit in there, so that worked out kind of perfect. I didn't have to pull out the big one. So I'm going to put me some, let me get us a little quick toss in here with this one egg. Y'all, let me show y'all my face. Let me show y'all how strong the onions is. Y'all see this till this real onion tears. Let me get me a paper towel. Woo! That onion was strong, honey. Where the hell them onion came from? Them onion strong, baby. And put some oldbay in here. Now, when it comes down to seasoning your salmon patty, you can use whatever seasoning you want, honey. Whatever you like to taste, you can use it. And a lot of people don't use oldbay in theirs, but I like me some oldbay, honey. So I'm gonna put some oldbay in mine. You put whatever you want in the child. If you want to put you some lemon pepper, put you some lemon pepper, girl. Just a little bit of salt. And some garlic powder. Okay? You can put whatever you want in these things, honey, if you want to. Okay. Get everything all mixed up in there real good. You don't want this too wet either. I'm going to pat this out. Let me fill it. Yeah, got enough. Put a little bit more. This 3 y'all. 3 tablespoons of cornmeal I put in here. All right, y'all. So y'all just going to take it and make you some little patties, honey. You can make them as big as you want, as little as you want. I've seen people even make them into balls and put cheese in them and jalapeno peppers. But that's on you, honey. You make them how you want to make them. Make me some little croquettes just like that. I don't want mine too big. I like mine like a little medium. You know, like a little small, but a little medium. You know, that's how I like mine. But yeah, I've had some with cheese and jalapeno in it, honey. It was good. It was a little spicy, but it was a little good. So, you know, if you want to do 2 cans, like if you got a big family that's going to eat, you know, you just double up on everything. That's all you have to do. I got my oil over there. I had to turn it down a little bit, honey, because it looked like it had got a little bit too hot there. I had to turn that down, honey. I'm going to go ahead and put these in there. Just like so. I'm going to let them cook. And I turned it down kind of low, y'all, because my oil was up too high. Turn it down low a little bit. So I'm going to let them get brown and then brown. You don't want them to cook too fast, y'all, because then they're not going to be cooked all the way on the inside. Remember, you put an egg in there, so you want it to kind of cook gracefully. So we're going to give this a couple minutes on one side, and then we're going to turn it over on the other side. Meanwhile, I'm going to wash this stinky bowl out. All right, y'all, so they cooked about a good 3 minutes on that side. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm patting down just a little bit. All right, y'all. All right. All right, you guys. My salmon croquettes are done. They're beautifully golden brown on both sides. I let them cook a little longer on the other side, but that's how I like them. So I'm going to go ahead and pair these with some grits and show you guys how it looks. All right, y'all, so here it is. I have my salmon croquette for you guys. I have some grits with some butter, some creamy, delicious, simple grits. I just wanted me some grits cooked in cream and just some butter and salt and pepper. I didn't want anything extra, and I have my salmon croquettes here. And y'all, I'm ready to dive in on these salmon croquettes. I want some grits too. I just really want some grits, but I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to dive in these salmon croquettes. Let me break one open for you guys. You see that? Looks so well put together, y'all. This looks so well put together. If you've never tried using salmon croquettes before because you thought it was the end of the world in making them, you see how easy and simple and peasy I made this thing, baby. When I say good, y'all, I haven't made salmon croquettes in a minute. I just haven't. I've been had a taste for them. Don't make you no homemade biscuits to go with this and get you some of that old-fashioned syrup. Child, please. These the best croquettes I've ever eaten. I ain't gonna lie to you. And please, if you decide to make this, don't skip on that Old Bay. Do not leave that out, honey. It does something to this salmon. Let me tell you. I can't put this down. But I need one. Y'all. So good. My grits, they waiting on me. They calling my name, honey. Look how creamy and buttery these grits are. And that's some real butter, y'all. Look, listen, y'all. I gotta eat. Give me a tall glass of ice water to go with this. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank y'all so very much. To all my new subscribers, thank y'all so very much. I look forward to cooking. I look forward to being in this kitchen in the next couple of weeks or so. I thank y'all so much for being here, and please comment, like, share, subscribe if you have not done so. Until that next video, I'll see y'all then. Bye, y'all.